you're adding people to Swedish Portrait Gallery. Cool. What we are doing is that I normally add one. I don't say it's correct or not. And then I do the work on the other side. So I did a test now here, and then I'm logged in. And when I'm logged in and now I'm running English, then you can say same as. So you add here, and then you get same as person. I can see if I can try to show it. And what happened is I have, to this entity explosion, I have done some adding now. So here is all the options you have added, but you also have here, which is the API connection for this one. So here you have the API, the fields, and at the end you have machine learning fields, suggestions. For what he does is that they scan this text. Maybe you speak Swedish, I don't know. But they scan this text, OCR it, and then they use machine learning to populate it, which is rather cool. And then you also have, if you're a member, I think, then you have similar portraits. So you can see if anything is like this, or you can upload your own pictures and see if there is something like that one, or you can upload a GEDCOM file, I think, match tree maybe. And a GEDCOM file is your genealogy tree, so you can get the match. So I see if I can find some person to show how I use it. And as said, this is the way I do it. I don't say it's more or less correct. But we have a girl on the other side who is doing insane amount of edits. And she is just editing on the other side. See if we can find something, a person. Riksdagen, he is part of the Riksdag. I would like to have all the gentlemen from the Riksdag in. Gustav Rudolf Abelin. So we have this person here. He has already Wikimedia Commons, which is cool. So what I do, I click on that one. Then I have written my own script. It's just a test, but then I get this bottom here. And I said it's just a test. You can use it if you want. It's in my Commons file. So this is the one right now, SPA free. Yes, and if you use it, please feedback if it's good or bad. I stole how it was used in another script connecting to iNaturalist. But when I click on this one, then we do a search on Gustav Abelin to the portrait database. And then I have normally check here 1819. So here we have him, I guess. And here we have a lot of him. So then I just click on that one. I get the picture, I get the possibility to jump to that location. And when I jump to this location, we can see that this girl, I think, or if it's me, normally you can have mouse over and see who has done it, but it was not this time, has connected this person. And you can see the connected person, one picture is the main picture. So then she has connected all the others. So what I normally do is that I take this one. This is confusing. I go back to this. So now I have this picture. I say I would like to have it. And then I say upload. And then we go to one page for mass uploaded. The only thing which is not set automatically is this name, and the first one it works. Then you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest I think is good standard, because we don't know the person taking the picture. So now we have done it, uploaded. We get this information here. I haven't set the structured data yet. Maybe I will do it later. And then I also get categories here. This is a category where I've used this script, which means I have done it 1900 times. And then we have a script, a category for the Swedish Portrait Archive set. And as said, the search is done from the name in the category right now. Maybe we should change that. So now I got this picture uploaded, and see if we can get another one here. I think that one was good. And it's the correct person, yes. And now, because we have one with that name, I then add number 2 to it. And then I take away that one, and it's uploading. So, and then we had the main picture here. I just used that one when setting the property in Wikidata. If you can convince me it's bad way, don't hesitate to do it. So then we check if it's here, and then I add it. And if it's more, then normally I set 1 as the preferred one, but here you see we have it. So then I do like that then. And what could be done then is that we could check here, is this connected? And it was. So I delete that one. So we just point on the main one. I don't know if it's good or bad. So that's how it works. And the cool thing or odd thing is that you don't need to have a category. So if we can see if we find another person here. Zacharias Abelin, we have no picture for him. So then what I do, I jump to the create a fake category. And I get this bottom, and we can see Zacharias Abelin, 774. And we get just this one. So then I say I save this one, and then I upload the other one. And as this is the first picture, this will be unique, otherwise it warns. And I guess it's the correct person, 1849, yes. So now we have it uploaded, but this folder is not correct created, and it's not connected from. So then I normally do like that, and then we go down here, and then Swedish Portrait Archive is set, but then I said, sorry, running Swedish now. Like that, for another, and then I do purge. But don't hesitate. If you use it, let me know if something could be better. The search I'm thinking about. And also another odd thing I'm doing raw is that if I can see that no one is using an Infobox, there is some Infobox war. Here they don't use a data-driven one. Then I add the picture to this as a picture, P18. I think it will not change there, but it will look better over here. If I purge. And the feeling I have, we have a Facebook group for this portrait archive, and he has been scanning like crazy. And it could be interesting, but still we can see it's missing a lot of things. Henrika, she is not, the wife is not there. This one was the one I was part syskon, barn, Rudolf. And Rudolf is born 1864. 1864, and we didn't have that, I think. No, so then I upload. I think it's nice to have picture. Båstad. And I guess this is the first one, so this name will be unique. Cool. See if we can find any more. 1864. Looks like we just have this one. And then I try to save this one and move back. Here we have a link. I have done this before. You can see if they find anything more. The search is rather good. I don't know how technical you are, but I have done crazy things with the API. So I have been running notepads. And the cool thing when you do a search from the API, oh, this is bad, 1864, you get back a ranking. Looks like it's just one. This person they have a lot of. Gustav Abelin, was that the one we were? Yeah, maybe that's the one we used. So I have done some API calling. So I'm taking a cemetery in Stockholm and said, where we don't have a picture, can you see if we have a match with this database? I can see if I can find it. I think it's down here. Here we have it. Sorry in Swedish. Here I do a search exact. So then I say, give me Johan August, something like that. And then, this is a good one. So I search with this name, Johan August Flygare. And then I get back this result here. And oh, that was not so cool. But we have maybe further down. Here we have, I do a sparkle saying, give me everything that is on a cemetery, Q522312. And then I get back all the people in Wikidata, and then I start loop through this list, this list here. And then I say, print out the name, do a search, and when I get back the result, I print out the score, the first name, the last name, the birth year. So here you can see that August William Clavernius, he thinks just with 14, that's low. If we have Abraham Alén here, we get 31. So he thinks this is a good hit. Maybe I have already done this one. Sorry. Here we have, I've done already connected it, I think. But maybe that was before I started, have written this upload. We can see how many pictures I have. Oh, it's just one. Lobran Allén 1944. 1844. Here's interesting that we just got one hit. And if I look over here, we can see that she has at least 2 of them. So then we check how the other one looks. It looks the same, so it was not so interesting. But when I look here, we have 3 of them. We have, this one is connected to 2 others, and this one is connected to one, which is the main picture now. That, maybe I have, it's not a good model, this with, same as, I check now. This was more than confusing. Or maybe it's just me being confused. I skip this now. But let me know if you would like to test it or it's just stealing from me. I'm changing the script sometimes and so on. And if you have questions about this SPA, let me know. I think it's very cool database, cool written, and as you can see on the first page, I think it's crazy how much this person has scanned. Now I think he has given up or he has done some houses. But it's 865,000. And the very cool thing, which I think we don't see in Wikidata, Wikipedia, is that it's normal people also. I like that approach. Thanks, and let me know if you have questions. We can share screen if you want and so on.